How to connect Sony WH-1000XM6 to Xbox Series X, WH-S, or Xbox One. Note: Xbox consoles don't support Bluetooth audio directly, so connecting WH-1000XM6 via Bluetooth is not possible natively. You'll need to use a workaround with the Xbox controller or an adapter. Method 1. Connect via Xbox controller wired. Use a 3.5mm audio cable. The WH-1000XM6 has a wired mode. Get a 3.5mm audio cable, usually comes with the headphones. Plug the 3.5mm cable into the headphones. Connect the other end of the cable into the Xbox controller's headphone jack. Adjust audio settings on Xbox. Press the Xbox button, Profile and System, Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output. Ensure headset audio is set to stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic for headphones, depending on your preference. Method 2. Use a Bluetooth transmitter adapter, wireless. If you want to use wireless mode, you need a Bluetooth transmitter adapter compatible with Xbox. Buy a Bluetooth audio transmitter. Look for a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter that supports aptX-LL for minimal audio lag. Connect the transmitter to Xbox audio output. Plug the transmitter into the Xbox controller's 3.5mm jack or optical audio output if your Xbox has one and the transmitter supports it. Pair the WH-1000XM6 to the transmitter. Put your headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Hold power button until you hear Bluetooth pairing. Put the transmitter in pairing mode. Wait for them to connect. Method 3. Use Xbox app on Windows or mobile wireless. Connect WH-1000XM6 to your PC or smartphone via Bluetooth. Launch the Xbox app on your PC or smartphone. Stream your Xbox gameplay through the Xbox app. Audio will play through your WH-1000XM6 connected device. Tips: latency. Bluetooth audio may have delay. The wired connection offers the best experience with minimal lag. Mic use. The headphones mic usually won't work with Xbox since the controller doesn't transmit Bluetooth mic audio. Volume. Adjust headphone volume via WH-1000XM6 touch controls and Xbox audio settings. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more camera and smartphone tutorials.